AI is changing everything, and digital marketing is no exception. Brands like Zomato, Swiggy, and Amazon are using AI to personalize ads, automate content, and predict customer behavior. But here's the real question: how do you stay ahead in digital marketing when AI is taking over so much of the work? That's exactly what we're covering in this video. You'll learn how AI is transforming digital marketing, what are the most in demand skills that you'll need in 2025, the best AI powered tools for SEO, ads, and content, and a step by step roadmap to mastering digital marketing in the AI era. So, if you're ready to future proof your marketing career, here's where we'll get started. Let's start with the big picture. How is AI transforming digital marketing? Here's how AI is already reshaping the industry. First, in AI generated content and copywriting. Did you know that AI tools like ChatGPT and Copy.ai can write blog posts, social media captions, and even ad copies in seconds? Marketers no longer need to write everything manually, but understanding AI generated content and editing it for brand voice is absolute key. Secondly, smarter ad targeting and automation. AI helps platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads automatically optimize campaigns for better reach and conversions. Marketers can now focus on strategy, testing, and audience insights rather than manual campaign adjustments. Thirdly, in SEO and search ranking evolution. AI-powered tools analyze search intent, content quality, and competitor strategies to help websites rank better. Google's AI-driven search updates are making high-quality, user-focused content more important than ever. Finally, in AI-powered chatbots and in customer engagement. Brands use AI chatbots for 24/7 customer support, lead generation, and personalized responses. Marketers, therefore, must learn to optimize chatbot interactions to enhance customer experience. So, in the age of AI, marketers aren't being replaced, they are evolving. The key is to adapt, learn how AI works, and use it to work smarter. Now that we know AI is here to stay, how do you learn digital marketing in 2025? Here's your step-by-step roadmap. Step 1. Learn marketing fundamentals. Understand the digital marketing basics, for example, SEO, social media, content, and paid ads. Learn consumer psychology, branding, and sales funnels. Resources could be given from Google Digital Garage or HubSpot Academy. Step 2. Master AI-driven SEO. Learn how AI tools optimize search rankings and how to write for AI-driven search engines. Understand keyword intent, AI-powered content structuring, and voice search optimization. Surfer SEO, ClearScope, and SEMrush AI are some AI tools that can help you. Step 3 is get hands-on with social media and AI automation. Learn content strategy, engagement techniques, and AI-powered social scheduling. Master Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Twitter marketing. Tools like Canva AI, ChatGPT for captions, Buffer, and Hootsuite can be really helpful. Step 4 is learn paid ads and AI targeting. Master Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and AI-driven ad targeting. Learn how to analyze AI-optimized campaign performance. Step 5 is AI-powered content and email marketing. Learn how to use AI for blog writing, email campaigns, and video scripting. Some tools that can help you with this journey are Jasper AI, ChatGPT, Mailchimp, and ConvertKit. Step 6 is to build your portfolio and get clients. This is the final step. Start a blog, social media page, or YouTube channel showcasing AI-powered marketing strategies. You could work on internships, freelance gigs, or case studies. Where to find work? Websites like LinkedIn, Upwork, Fiverr, and other agencies that use AI marketing could be a good place to look. AI tools are the backbone of modern digital marketing. Here are the most powerful ones that you should master. For SEO and website optimization, use Surfer SEO or ClearScope. They'll help you in AI-powered keyword and content optimization. Use Google Search Console or SEMrush AI for AI-driven SEO insights. For social media and content creation, use ChatGPT and Jasper AI for AI-powered content writing. Canva AI and Buffer AI will help you automate design and post scheduling. For paid ads and analytics, Google Performance Max and Facebook AI ads for AI-driven ad targeting and optimization. Google Analytics AI and HubSpot AI for advanced marketing insights. For email and automation, you can use Mailchimp AI, ConvertKit, ManyChat, and Drift AI for AI-powered chatbots. Master these and be assured that you'll be ahead of 90% of marketers in 2025. How to future-proof your career in AI-driven marketing. As AI becomes more powerful, marketers who adapt and embrace AI tools will have the best career opportunities. Here's how to stay ahead in the AI-powered marketing era. First, learn AI tools. Master AI-driven content, SEO, and paid marketing platforms. Second, focus on creativity and strategy. AI can automate tasks, but humans excel at storytelling and big picture planning. Number 3, experiment and build projects. Apply AI marketing techniques to your own blog, social media, or other freelance projects. And number 4, keep learning. AI is evolving very rapidly, so stay updated with AI and digital marketing trends. Remember, marketers who use AI as a tool rather than fear it will be the ones who thrive. And there you have it, your complete roadmap to learning digital marketing in the AI era. We understood how AI is changing digital marketing. We mastered AI-driven SEO, ads, and content creation. And we finally learned how to use AI tools to work smarter and not harder. Now, tell me in the comments, which AI marketing tool are you most excited to try? And if you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with anyone looking to future-proof their marketing career. See you in the next video.